How to make 2 columns with borders in Word. So if you're designing a newsletter, brochure, or side-by-side comparison in Word and want to split your text into 2 columns with a clean border separating them, Word actually has a built-in feature for this that most people miss. So I'm going to show you how to create 2 columns with borders very quickly. So first, let's split your page or text into 2 balanced columns. So just highlight a specific text that you want to split, or if you're starting from scratch, just click anywhere in your blank page. Head up to the top menu bar and select Layout here. Click on Columns button. It's going to be under Page Setup section, and select 2. Word will instantly adjust your document layout into 2 side-by-side columns. And now to add a clean vertical border running down the middle between your columns, we'll use Advanced Column Headings. We'll use Advanced Column Settings. So go back into your Layout tab again, click on Columns, and choose More Columns. Inside this pop-up window, look over to the right side and check the box next to Line Between here. And click OK. Alright, as you can see. And Word will immediately draw a crisp vertical border line separating your left and right columns that automatically adjusts as you add more text. If you want full rectangular box borders around each column instead of just a center dividing line, a 2-column table is your best shortcut. So go to the top menu, select Insert, choose Table, and pick a 1x2 grid. 1x2, there you go. Bingo. Type your content inside each cell, highlight the table, and then click the Design tab. Table Design. And here you can just customize border thickness, box colors, or padding. That's it. Enjoy, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.